The Universal Connection, a story of togetherness. Video title, The Story That Connects Everyone in the World. You are a part of it. Goal, to inspire a sense of connection across the globe, generate engagement, and encourage people to share and go viral. Slow motion shot of the globe accompanied by uplifting music. In a world of 8 billion people, have you ever wondered what one thing is that connects us all? Cut people from different cultures around the world, children in Africa, fishermen in Asia, dancers in South America, families in Europe. We may speak different languages, eat different foods, even have different dreams, but there is one thing that always remains the same: our stories. People telling stories through their faces, smiles, tears, and hopes. Your story, my story, and the story of the world. Cut to major world events, disaster relief, celebrations, human rights protests. Today, we are inviting everyone in the world to tell your story to the world, because there is only one world, and so are our stories. One world, one story. The video emphasizes the universal bond of storytelling among humans across cultures, urging everyone to share their personal narratives to inspire and connect with others around the globe. This is a project where everyone can participate. Just share your story in the comments below or share this video with your message. Cut to. People all over the world are filming on their phones, children, adults, and seniors. Because your story could inspire millions of people listening. Cut to a world map with little lights blinking around the world, representing people who are participating in the project. Be a part of making history, share your story, and help us connect the world. Last image, One World, One Story channel logo with text. Your story is our story. Share it now and let's change the world. End of server urges action. Because in the end, our story is the story of the world. Subscribe, share, and comment on your story below, and let's travel together.